According to Salary.com, the average salary for a residential HVAC sales associate is between $52,981 and $71,409. Here at Fire and Ice, our sales professionals make considerably more. If you are considering a career as a residential HVAC professional, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Luke from Fire and Ice. Whether you're working in industrial, commercial, or residential HVAC, there will always be job openings. A good HVAC salesperson is in high demand, and if you improve your abilities, apply yourself, and become proficient, you're going to make more money, be rewarded for your skills, and you'll have options for employment. By the end of this video, you'll understand the benefits and downsides of a career in HVAC sales, the skills needed, and how to get started in this lucrative career path. And if you find today's content helpful, subscribe to our channel for weekly educational content. There are 3 paths that can lead to becoming an HVAC sales professional at Fire and Ice. The first and most common option is to have previous HVAC sales experience from another HVAC contractor. The second option is to have previous HVAC experience as a technician or installer. Because HVAC is a technical industry, having an understanding of HVAC is needed in order to effectively communicate the features and benefits to your customers. However, if you don't have previous HVAC sales experience, you still can be successful as an HVAC sales professional, as long as you are willing to learn the industry and come with previous sales experience. You can be successful selling HVAC equipment. Now, what if you don't have any previous sales experience or HVAC background? If you're looking for a potential career change, we recommend learning as much as possible about sales and to get as much experience as possible. We employ a no-pressure sales approach here at Fire and Ice. Being able to learn the process through sales training, books, or other means is a good first step to demonstrate the drive needed to be a successful salesperson. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video so far, please like this video and leave a comment once you're done. We love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you may have. And did you know we have even more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more great content. Regardless of the industry, there are a number of skills needed to be a successful salesperson. One of the most important is the ability to have thick skin and a short memory. What do I mean by that? The truth is, you're not going to sell every call you go on. For every sale you make, there were probably 2 or 3 failures before it. If you're able to handle rejection and the word no, you can be successful in sales. Another important skill is to be self-motivated. A good salesperson is available 24/7 to answer every question a customer may have, regardless of the hour. It should go without saying that you also need to have good interpersonal skills. A good salesperson is able to listen to what the homeowner is saying, identify solutions, and then sell those solutions to the customer in a fair, unbiased fashion. Being organized and influential are other good skills to have. A good salesperson needs to be honest and transparent on the job. At Fire and Ice, our mission and vision statement are centered around doing what's right by the customer. The HVAC industry is always in demand for experienced salespeople. Whether you specialize in industrial, commercial, or residential HVAC, it's highly likely that you will never be without a job. It's been said that the HVAC industry is recession-proof. Another benefit is you can choose to work virtually anywhere, as the skills you will learn as a sales professional can be transferred to wherever HVAC jobs are. Working in HVAC also allows you to work someplace different and meet new people every day. It's not like working on an assembly line, and it's certainly not office work. At Fire and Ice, we are all about transparency, and working in HVAC does have its downsides. For starters, you're likely going to work long hours. All of our sales professionals run 3 to 4 calls per day, with the first starting at 9 in the morning and the last one being 6 o'clock in the evening. They also work weekends. Long hours are the norm, But the benefit is the more opportunities that you have, the higher your earning potential. Another drawback is that homeowners will look to you for answers should something go wrong. Making sure to take detailed notes for the installers to reference is a great way to ensure everything goes smoothly. Another downside is that you may find yourself working in the elements and crawling through tight crawl spaces and attics. All of these can be offset with knowledge and an understanding of the HVAC industry. Having a desire to learn and keep up with industry changes and understanding the technology will help you succeed. What are the next steps? Are you someone looking to start a new career in HVAC sales or take your sales experience to the next level? If you are, and you're in the Central Ohio area and want to align yourself with the best in the industry, develop skills, and start a career that will set you and your family up for future success, consider joining Fire and Ice Heating and Air Conditioning. If you want more information on careers in the HVAC industry, visit the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and be sure to subscribe to get updates every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day better.